Hi everyone, this is Roshni from Bangalore, Roshni Boutique. As you know, so we always come up with a lot of casual wear collections. Last time we launched party wear collections, so this is the time for the casual wear. So here we are with the casual wear collections. So these are all summer collections, as a lot of people have asked me for the summer collections. You can see the colors. These are very light shades, some dark shades also we have launched. So this is full work one. See the detailing. So this is a kurta, and in the down we have a little round shape in this, and this is a normal straight pant. So this is a cotton straight pants with a kurta, and the price is 12.95 and the sizes are 38 to 44. So we have two colors in this. One more is this color, and the back side also embroidery. So those two colors with the size 38 to 44. These are also embroidery one. These are the new trend which has a complete hand embroidery. So you can see the detailing of the hand embroidery. And this is also with the embroidery. So the colors are very different. This is a light pista kind of. This is a light greenish with the blue. So this is with the pant darker pink. And this is with the lighter pink. And the cotton, these are all cottons with the cotton slurp. So this is 1450 and the size are 40, 42, 44. And in this is also cotton. So the size are 40 to 46 and the price is 1450. So both are the same price, but size start with 40 in this. This is also very nice fabric. This we have again same 40 to 46 and the price is 1450. And this we use little double shades, as you see, light grey with the darker grey, and this is a cotton pant with this. And the pant also, as you see, there's a small embroidery. So this is the same muslin with the double prints kind of. This is one of my favorite. This is again in cotton slurp, but this prints and all is very pretty. This is with the dupatta and the pant. So this is a printed pant with the dupatta, and there's a work also here. And this also we have two shades. One is light pink. So this is the light pink shade. This is also with the same printed pant and dupatta, and the price is 1565 and the sizes are 38 to 44. This we launched last time also, but this is all-time favorite that people ask a lot of time. So this is in black straight cut kurta with the sharara. So this is a loose one palazzo kind of. It looked like skirt only. So this we have 38 to 44 and the price is 11.95. So it's a full set. This is with the skirt. So this is in bandage. As you see, the work is little embroidery with the plastic mirror, and this has a dupatta and this has a skirt also. So this is a flare skirt on that. So this we have 38 to 44 and the price is 2295. Now this time's a angrakha. A lot of people have asked angrakhas. So these are all cotton angrakhas with the pants. So this is a straight pants and this is angrakha, and in angrakha we have a back knot also. So you know the fits is very good in the angrakha. So this is 1450 and the size are 38 to 44. This is with a straight pant. So the fabric and the color and the work is very pretty in this, and this has a straight pants with the bandage print. So this is a full set with embroidery, and the size are 38 to 46 and the price is 1450. This is a double layer. Again I have to launch because this is our all-time favorite. Everyone loved it. So this is like that with the adjustment. So we already launched in so many videos. So this is 1150, 38 to 46. Black we launched in this time. This is also a summer collection. This is pure cotton with the flare. As you see, these are all print, no embroidery on that, but these are all the flared one, floor length with the dupatta. So this we have 38 to 44 and the price is 1495. This is also one of the angrakha. The color is very pretty in that. This is very simple and elegant. This is with the designer sleeves, and this is with the straight pants. So white straight pants. So this is same 38 to 44 and the price is 1450. This is also gown kind of only. A lot of people need little flared one in the cotton. So this is 38 to 44 and the price is 1350. So it is completely flared one with the pleats in the front. This is very economical piece. This is like a single dress. You can just wear it like that with the belt. And this is little A-line. It's not too flares and all. This is only $8.95 and the size are 40 to 46. And here this is little embroidery in the front. So this is how the entire look is. These are the casual kurtas, only kurtas, very fast moving. Lot of people ask for the bandage. So we launched bandage. These are $8.75 and the sizes are 38 to 44. So the tassels are also very pretty in the sides. So we have a lot of colors in this: grey, blue, green and red. So these are the colors in this. This is a very smart piece. This is a little Indo-Western kind of. As you see the tassels in the front. This is the dark bottle green and this is the sleeves on that. So this is little A-line. You can pair it on the jeans, leggings, anything. And this is $7.95, 38 to 46. This is also full sets, but this is very economical. The price is $8.95, 38 to 44, and this is a straight pant for this. So these are only the prints one, but this goes very fast. These are also cotton only with little embroidery with the white pants. So this is a little crucia pant. So these pants are very much in 40 to 46 and the size is $13.95. So in this we have one more color. This is the color, the same with the crucia pant. This is also muslin. So this has a blue color pant inside. As you see, this is 1450 and the size is 40, 42 and 44. So with the embroidery one. I already showed one design. In that we have red also. So there's the two colors. The pants are very smart in this. These are all the crucia pant. This is also very nice. This is in chikankari. This is a straight kurta with the straight pant. So the pants will be like this. In this we have 42, 44 and 46. And the price is 1495. Cotton sets we have. This is what I'm wearing. This is again one of my favorite. That's why I'm wearing it. So in this we have two colors. One is maroon, one is blue. So this is a loose palazzo, but it will look very subtle only. And this is a very subtle work on that. So in this we have two colors. The price is 1695 and the sizes are 38 to 46. The one more color we have the blue one. So this is also very pretty shades, all the dark shades in this because the work is very subtle with the Zardosi and Kardana work. So we can have a detail of this. So this is same 38 to 46 and the price is 1695. So that's all for today, all the casuals wear what we have launched this week. So hope you guys enjoy shopping through our website. So please follow www.roshniboutiques.com, and for international people they can always WhatsApp me at 8310498083. Kindly like my page, Facebook page, so that you will get the updates every week. Thank you.